I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you where your charger ports, aux ports, USB ports are. So from the center here, you'll find one charger port, and then if you open the center, you'll see some audio ports, USB ports, an SD port, and a charger port. And on the back, you'll see this cover you can lift up, and there's another charger port for like a regular plug. And sometimes if you've got like an aftermarket radio installed, they'll run an extra cord off to the side or into the glove box that you can check and maybe plug into. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. And that said too, if some of these aren't functioning properly, first thing I check are fuses. Maybe you have a fuse that went out that's making one of these inoperable. If that doesn't work, especially if it's just like one that's not working, you might need to check behind all the plastic, make sure there's no loose connections or anything that needs repaired or replaced. But all that said, hope you have a great one.